Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize gestures for your earbuds SOUNDCORE R50i. And let's get started by open SOUNDCORE application. If you add your earbuds to the application, you will see it at the device list. Tap on it and then go to the controls, right here, the second line. Now let's work with it. So first at the left earbud for the single press. Tap on it and I wanna volume down my music. Now you can hide it. Let's go to the right one. For the single press I wanna volume up my music. So I press on it and select volume up. Let's go return to the left earbud. With a double press I wanna play previous track, so I press the previous track, but you can also select something else. It's up to you. And for the right one I wanna play next track. Now let's return to the left, and for the press and hold I wanna play and pause my music with the left earbud, and with the right one I tap on it and I wanna call voice assistant. I have a Siri because I have Apple. If you have Android, you will see voice assistant, not Siri here, so you select it. And we did it. Now if you don't like what you made, you can reset it. Right here at the bottom we have a reset button, you press on it and click yes. And as you can see, if I return to the left earbud, it also reset it for the left earbud, so it made it for the both of the earbuds. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!